Friends, today we discuss about more in regular expressions. Let's start with questions. First question is strings of length 2. Strings of length 2 where inputs are A and B. Okay, so what is the regular expression for those string whose length is 2 and its inputs are A and B? So A or B, these are the inputs A, B, and you want to show me what is the regular expression for those strings whose length is basically 2. So regular expression of those whose length is basically 2, I think it's constant. Why it's constant? Because if you know what are the strings of length 2, it is AA, AB, BA and BB. I think not more than 4, because if AA and so, then the length of this is 3. So fixed length there is, which is 2. So the cardinality of all these 4 is 2, right? So the regular expression for finite language, this is a finite language, and the regular expression for finite language is so easy, you cannot use your mind even. Why? Just add all the strings which is present in our language, which is AA, AB, BA and BB. So this is the regular expression for the strings of length 2, right? And yeah, if you want to minimize it, you can just make common from these two and common from these two, and then so this is the minimized, you can say, this is the minimized regular expression for this. This is also right, this is also right, it depends on option, right? That what is given in your options. So this is the simple regular expression for finite language. If there is a finite language, then regular expression for this language is simply union, simply addition, either this or this or this or this, right? So either this or this. So simply union for strings of length 2. Similarly, if you have strings of length 3, right? So if you have strings of length 3, and now after doing this we will make a conclusion, right? So strings of length 3, so if those strings whose length is 3 and same inputs A and B, right? So strings of length 3, you want those strings whose length is 3, whose cardinality is 3, and the inputs are A, B. So I think it is also finite because the length is finite. Of course this is accepted, right? Then ABA, AAB and BBB, BAB, you know, that 2 की power 3 means 8. Total overall 8 strings are possible. BBA, now BAA, and one more which is ABB. So these are the 8 strings which is possible, and this is finite. And I already told that for finite strings regular expression is simply union or addition, right? So what is the regular expression for this? Add all these, and you can do that. If you add all these 8 strings, after minimize it, you get something like that. Okay, so you see, when the strings of length 2 is given in previous question, then your regular expression is A plus B and again A plus B, right? This is your regular expression. And when the strings of length 3 is given, right, then the regular expression is nothing but 3 times A plus B. So it depends on the length. If the length is 2, there is 2 a plus b's. If the length is 3, there is 3 a plus b's. So my question is, if the length is n, then what's happened? If the length is n, then there is a plus b and so on n times, right? So it is easy. Any length you cannot find that, so those strings which you want whose length is n is either 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? So you cannot find all these strings, that how many strings are possible, and you can minimize in this way, right? You can remember this point. Whatever is the length is here, regular expression contains those number of times. Means if it is a plus b, right? So if length is 3, then a plus b occurs 3 times in regular expression. If the length is 4, then a plus b occurs 4 times in the regular expression. So that's it. So that's the beauty of this question. Okay, so this is the regular expression of length n. Any length, right? You can easily make it. It depends on length. If length is 3, then it contains 3 in regular expression. If length is 2, then it contains 2 in regular expression. The next question. The next question is strings of even number of a's. You can also write strings contain even number of a's. Okay, string contain even number of a's where input is a, b. So you want to make regular expression for those strings which contain even number of a's. So we want, see, in previous lecture, in previous video, we also talk about even and odd, but in this we want even length of strings. We want all those strings which have even length. But now the question is different. We want even number of a's. We want only number of a's to be even, not all the not the cardinality of a string is even, right? So both are different. So strings contain even number of a's. What is a regular expression for this? First of all, what are the strings which are accepted by this? So can null is accepted? Definitely. It means don't worry about b's, only think about a's, because we want number of a's as even. B is even or odd, we don't care about that. So null, a, b, 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 any number of b's, even also number of a's are even. A, b. Is ab possible? Not. Why not? Because a is odd. We don't care about b, what is it, but a is odd, so this is not possible, right? Now these are the all strings. Now what is a regular expression for this? See, what is a regular expression for this? It means any number of b's in the starting, we don't care. If a comes, it's okay. Any number of b's, wait a minute. Now after a, any number of b's we don't care, but one a is odd, so just make another a and any number of b's and make whole star. So this is the regular expression. Is it right? Or all the strings present in this regular expression? Thinking about that, no. Actually, if a star is 0, then null is accepted. If a star is 1, then don't just don't care about b's, just see only a's. You got 2 a's, right? So I think no, we are wrong. If we want only b's, then this will not give me only B's. This give me at least 2 A's in this. It will give me at least 2 A's. So what? Then what to do? We add one more thing, which is B star. B star means any number of B's. In any number of B's, number of A's is always even, because number of A's are 0 and 0 is even. So this plus this is correct. Okay, so this is the regular expression for strings contain even number of A's. But either this or this, it union means either this or this, either only number of B's or either null 2 A's, 4 A's, 6 A's and so on. You can also write it as B star A B star A B star whole star concatenation B star, because we don't care about B's. Both are correct. In this both are correct, because we also define here B star also in between every A's. We also define B's also, but you can also write it that like if this is over, then any number of B's occur, don't worry. You can also produce any number of B's from here also, but concatenation and union works same in this. I mean both accept same strings, no change in this. Okay, so this is the strings contain even number of A's. So this is the regular expression for even number of A's. Okay,